there. It's me, Josh. Have you seen Calc, my calculator? Hey there. How are you today? Huh? There's a calculus problem behind me? Calc, what do you think we should do to solve the problem? Oh, I see. We are gonna play Calc Clues because it's a really great game. Yeah! And what do we need for Calc Clues?
Our graph paper.
Right! And where is our graph paper?
Side desk drawer.
Oh, hi there, side desk drawer. How are you today?
I'm okay, but calculus is hard.
Yeah, I agree. But we'll figure it out.
Whoa, easy there.
Thanks for the graph paper. We gotta find a sin x. That's the first clue. We put it on our graph paper, and then what do we do? Calc clues, calc clues.
Calc clues.
We find another sin x. That's the second clue. We put it on our graph paper, and now what do we do? Calc clues, calc clues.
Calc clues.
Find another sin x. That's the third clue. We put it on our graph paper, and well, you know what to do. Calc clues, calc clues.
Calc clues.
We gotta sit down in our thinking desk and think. Cause when we use our minds, take a step at a time, we can solve anything that we wanna solve. Where did Calc go?
Behind you.
Where?
Behind you, on the chair.
Oh, there you are, Calc. I'm glad I found you. Here we go. We are searching for Calc clues. We are searching for Calc clues. We are searching for Calc clues. 'Cause it's a really great game. We are searching for Calc clues. We are searching for Calc clues. We are
Look.
searching for Calc clues.
A glue.
Where? What? A shoe? I got one of them.
No, a glue.
Oh, a clue. Oh, it's the power rule. And where do we put our clues again? All right, our handy dandy graph paper. All right, let's go. All right, so the power rule. Well, what we can gather from this is that if you take any variable to a power, and then when you derivatize it, you move that power to the front and make it the coefficient. So in this case, it would be a to the x. So it would be x times a, and then you subtract 1 from the exponent. So you put x minus 1. So x times a to the x minus 1 is a derivative of a to the x. And that's the power rule. How could we use the power rule to help us solve the equation? I guess we better go find more clues. We are looking for Calc clues. We are looking for Calc clues. We are looking for Calc clues. It's a really great game. We are looking for Calc clues. We are looking for Calc clues. We are looking for Calc clues. It's a really good. Oh, hi Shovel. Hi Pail.
Oh, hello. Man, I just can't solve this limit.
Die. It's too hard.
Every time we plug in the numbers, we just get 0 over 0.
Don't worry guys, I think I might have something up my sleeve to help you guys out. Alright, if you take the derivative of the top and the bottom of the equation and then replug in your number, then you should get an answer that isn't 0 over 0. And if it's still 0 over 0, you can just take the derivative of the top and the bottom again, and eventually you'll get a good real number. It's called the hospital's rule.
Wow, thanks. You heard him, Shovel. Start solving.
I guess we better go find more Calc clues. We are looking for 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 Calc clues. It's a really great game. We are looking for Calc clues. We are looking for Calc clues.
Look.
We are looking for Calc clues.
A clue.
A clue? Where?
Right there, on the fish tank.
Oh, a clue. Thanks. All right. Wait, it's the product rule. Where do we put our Calc clues again?
Our graph paper.
Right. All right. Whew. Well, what we can gather from this is that if f of x equals g of x times h of x, then f prime of x, also known as the derivative of f of x, equals g prime of x times h prime of x plus g of x times h prime of x. And that's called the product rule. How could we use the power rule and the product rule to help us solve the equation? I guess we need to go find more clues.
Mail time, mail time, mail time.
Here's the mail that never mails. It makes me want to wag my mail. When it comes, I want to mail. Mail! Oh, hi, mailbox.
Hi there, Josh. I got some good news for you. Why don't you just reach on in there and fish it out?
It's a letter from our friends. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from.
Hi, Josh. Hi, Calc. I just learned this rule for doing derivatives of fractions. It's called the quotient rule. You see, if h of x equals f of x over g of x, then h prime of x equals f prime times g minus f times g prime all over g squared. Now, that's kind of confusing, so you can just think of it as low d high minus high d low all over the square of what's below. That's the quotient rule. Bye, Josh.
Wow, we learn something new every time we talk to our friends. Thanks, Eric. We better go find more clues. We are looking for Calc clues. We are looking
A clue!
Where? Glue? I got lots of that.
No, a clue!
Wait, a clue? Where?
Behind you!
Where? Where?
Behind you!
Where? Where?
Behind you!
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Oh, thanks, Calc. You're always willing to help me out when I need it. It's the chain rule. We gotta put this in our graph paper. All right. So, the chain rule. If f of x equals x to the a to the b, then f prime of x equals b times x to the a to the b minus 1 times a of x to the a minus 1. And that is the chain rule. How could we use the power rule, the product rule, and the chain rule to help us solve the equation? Oh, I got it! Okay. So, our answer would be 6 times 5 minus x squared times negative 2x times 3x squared plus 3 times 5 minus x squared times 6x. Because we use the product rule on the whole thing, and we use the power rule inside of the chain rule right here and here. We just figured out Calc clues! We just figured out Calc clues. We just figured out Calc clues. We just figured out Calc clues because we're really smart. Thank you guys so much for helping us out today. Well, I guess you know what time it is. Well, it's time for so long. But we'll sing just one more song. Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart. It's me and you and my calculator. We can solve anything that we want to solve.
We can solve anything that we wanna solve.
So long now. Bye. See you next time.